welcome to Dynamic Maharashtra. We are here with some important news related to the state's progress and public welfare facilities. Let's take a look at today's top developments. The Coastal Road project, which is bringing a revolutionary change to Mumbai's transport landscape, has now added a musical chapter to its journey. The country's first musical road constructed on the Coastal Road was inaugurated in a grand ceremony by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Chief Minister Fadnavis inaugurated the Melody Road built between Amerson's Garden and Breach Candy on the Dharamveer Swarajya Rakshak Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Coastal Road. CM Fadnavis said that motorists travelling on this road will get a rare opportunity to hear the tune of the world-famous song Jai Ho from the film Slumdog Millionaire, created through advanced Hungarian technology.
पहिल्या टप्प्यात 500 मीटरच्या रस्त्यावर या ठिकाणी हा संगीत रस्ता तयार करण्यात आलेला आहे. आमचे राहुल शिवाळेजी यांनी याच्यामध्ये पुढाकार घेतला. सीजी साहेब देखील या ठिकाणी आहेत. त्यांच्या मदतीने हा रस्ता आपण या ठिकाणी केलेला आहे.
The MOU was signed in the presence of the Chief Minister. Under the Chief Minister's Relief Fund, patients suffering from rare and critical illnesses will now receive easier access to treatment. The agreement will strengthen government priorities in the areas of health, nutrition, water conservation and rural development. The government has prioritized improving health, nutrition, water security and livelihood for every family in the state. As part of this initiative, the government has signed a total of 12 MOUs with Tata Trusts. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that many people face due to the higher cost of treatment for critical diseases. But the government is working to ensure that no one in the state dies due to lack of treatment. The main objective of this MOU is to provide affordable and easily accessible treatment for severe and life-threatening diseases under the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. NAM Foundation's Nana Patekar expressed satisfaction that the foundation will now be able to work more effectively with the government in the area of water conservation. The state government is working towards improving infrastructure and public facilities in every district, especially in rural regions. To accelerate Nasik's industrial and infrastructural development, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis performed the Bhumi Pujan for the construction and expansion of the new integrated terminal building at Ozar Airport. In the view of the upcoming Nasik Kumbh Mela 2027, the expansion of Ozar Airport holds exceptional importance. During the Kumbh Mela, the number of devotees arriving in Nasik is expected to increase 8 to 10 times. Several development projects have been proposed across Nasik district for the Grand Kumbh Mela, and the expansion of Ozar Airport is one of the most crucial components. Along with this, major investments expected under the Davos agreements and the ongoing industrial growth of Nasik district are positioning the city as a global logistics hub and tourism destination. Implemented through the Maharashtra Infrastructure Development Corporation, this project is expected to become the new gateway to Nasik's progress. A meeting of the Thane District Planning Committee was held at the Thane District Collector's office in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. During the meeting, development funds were approved for Tribal Sub-Plan, Scheduled Caste Sub-Plan and several other welfare schemes. The Deputy Chief Minister directed officials to ensure that all development works in the district completed on time and with high quality. Directions were also issued to ensure the availability of manure for local farmers, promote pasture cultivation, and encourage innovative agricultural practices. Additionally, he ordered all departments to remain fully prepared before the monsoon season and to complete all road repair works by the end of May so that citizens do not face any inconvenience. A meeting of the B District Planning Committee was held in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar. During the meeting, she issued clear directions to ensure that the entire development fund is utilized properly and meticulously. All projects are completed within the stipulated time, construction quality remains excellent, and no project is left incomplete. She emphasized that continuing the legacy of development-focused policies laid down by Ajit Dada, every project in the district must be completed in a planned, transparent and result-oriented manner. The committee also resolved to finalize planning for the upcoming year on priority and within deadlines, ensuring accelerated and comprehensive progress for Beat District. That was all for today. Thank you.